Hello, my beautiful friends. You know, the other day I had a really interesting experience. I was thinking that I really wanted some chamomile tea. I kept saying to myself, I want chamomile tea. Just something to relax me during the evening. And about 30 minutes later, I'm walking down the street, and there, sitting up against the wall, is a unopened thing of McCormick chamomile tea with the seal still intact. It was just the chamomile, not the tea. It was just all the chamomile. And I was like, wow, that's interesting. And then I had a doctor's appointment. And the doctor said I need to gain a little weight and I should think of some high protein things like Greek yogurt. And the only Greek yogurt I really like is this Chobani blueberry. I like some of the strawberry stuff as well too, but mostly blueberry. So when I get back to my residence, there's a little park right next door, and right out front, there's a Chobani truck, and they're giving away these little mini cases of Chobani blueberry. So, you know, whatever happened, whether a future me told past me to desire these things because I would encounter them, or the universe brought them to me, or I brought them to myself, or whatever, it really doesn't matter. It's just, I think sometimes in life, the things we want can come to us if we are in the right frame of mind. And some people may call them apports. Some people may call them all sorts of different things. But recently I've just come to this beautiful sensation of how exquisite the universe is, and how beautiful it is, and how we're all interconnected. And like a Mandelbrot set of fractals of the same size exist everywhere, all over the place, at different scales, even, of the same shape, but some of the exact same shape and the exact same size, just over the horizon from the other. And I think, you know, fractals, of course, are the best antennas. And maybe, somehow, we are resonating like two tuning forks, two fractals across the horizon with each other, or with targets in remote viewing. Just a little romantic, poetic thought I wanted to share. I love you guys.